How to free up more space on the local disk C drive. Just follow me on how to do it. Go to Search, type Disk Cleanup Recommendations, and click to open it. Select Disk Cleanup Recommendations. Click See Advanced Options. Check all boxes except Downloads. Remove the files and continue. Done. Next method. Deleting unnecessary files helps create enough space for things that are more important. Next, go to Search and open Run. Type temp, open it, and delete all files. Open Run again. Type %temp%. Open it and delete all files. Open Run again. Type prefetch. Open it and delete all files. Done. Once unnecessary files are deleted, your storage becomes cleaner and more organized. Now you have more free space on your local C drive.